art and craft teacher. Today, Republic Day celebration concept. So today is a topic Happy Republic Day based on some drawings. Children, are you happy everybody? Welcome to art class. I welcome to everybody. Invite to attend the art class. So thank you. So today's topic, how to draw Happy Republic Day drawing national flag and bird. First of all, I will explain how to do, how to make, how to apply color. Then I will demo also in the chart paper. Then you can try to same way my instructions. Okay? Anyway, thank you. First of all, what are the green line? On any picture draw and apply the color. First, draw the green line. Green line means you starting drawing or finishing drawing. That's very important. So today this picture, how to draw the green line first. I will explain. Listen carefully. Look in the board. First, draw the one right 15 centimeter on straight line. This is short paper. That just left hand side. Then same like that. 20 centimeter. Another 15 centimeter. Same like that. So this is the straight line. First, draw the straight line 15 centimeter, straight line 20 centimeter, another one 15 centimeter, another 20 centimeter, one of the circle box. Okay, that's the basic step. Then divide into two parts and mark the center part like that. So first step. Then second step, add one half moon like that. Okay, half circle. Then center mark, left hand side mark. Yes, another one center line like that. After once you draw the finish or mark, I mean draw the diagram machine, you raise it this line. This is the only measurement line like that. Okay, insert. So measurement like that, mark like that. How many centimeter you want? 8 centimeter. Then, sorry, 6 centimeter. Then right hand side of 6 centimeter. So mark like that. Yes, 6 centimeter. Then starting. Yes, chest. Okay. Then same like that. 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is a second step. Then trace it this lines. No need for this line. Okay. Then divide into equal part. So how many centimeter? Equal part. Just like, yeah. That means that one of the flag. Okay. That's very important. National flag, all three, I mean saffron, white and green. Saffron is what is it? What is the saffron? Sun. White is truth. Then green is growth. So three different concepts already designed for the national flag. So how to apply the color? And second part also chakra. Chakra, how many lines are there? 24. 24. Okay. So each 6 line will be there. 24 is automatically come. Okay, then like that, yeah, 24, very important. That's a blue color. This saffron. How to saffron mix? Orange plus yellow. Mix saffron is coming. Saffron is not a default color. So how to mix and take it. Okay, then after I will how to apply the color I will another one chart paper demo I will show you. Don't worry. Then white D for vivid, that is blue color chakra. Then light green. So this is how to draw independence based drawing. Then background will be same like that. Saffron yellow background like that. Same like that. Default white, then green color, then light green color. So that's a melting concept. Is apply. I can demo in the chart paper how to apply the color. First of all, how to the freehand sketch. That's a step. BHIS I will explain. Okay. Any doubt? Please repeat one more time. Draw the outline. First gate line, then center mark like that. Then draw the 6 cm, draw to 6 cm, then 4 cm, then 4 cm, and divide into each centimeter to see measurement. Then draw the national flag. Then draw the on board. How to draw? How to draw the board? Like that. Okay. Then one board. Like one circle. Then flying on the board will be like that. Okay. How to draw the board like that? Yeah. Draw the outline first. Then wings also. Okay, then same like that. Right hand side. Draw. So, bird will be take the fly and let it the flying. That is the concept. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, children. Okay, children. Then I will demo with the how to apply the color, how to draw Republic Day concept, drawing one national flag and two birds flying concept. Okay, first of all, draw the gate line, left hand side 15 centimeter, length 15 centimeter, standing line 15 centimeter, sleeping line 20 centimeter to make a one box gate line first. This is the first step. Then second step, draw the one arc circle in the top. Then draw the two left hand side and right hand side two birds, flying concept birds. Two flying. That means two birds are take the nation flyer in the way of sky, just like flying. That is concept. Draw the using the sketch pen. Draw the outline step by step. Then right hand side bird will be do like that. Same concept. How to draw Happy Republic Day based on drawing national flag and two birds. Okay, then draw the flag. Draw the flag 3 same equal part. Split up the same equal part. This is the nation flag. Okay. Then your choice. First one saffron. That means orange plus yellow. Apply the color. Mixing saffron is coming. Then second one same like that. White color. This is a default chart white paper. So leave it. The third one. What color? Green color. So first of all, you draw the freehand sketch. Then center will be Ashoka Chakra. Draw one circle. Then inside, how many lines? 24. That's very important. Don't any 1 plus or 1 minus. This is totally wrong. So don't do less and plus. Okay. So please 24 lines must. That's then apply the color. First using the orange color in top background. Actually that is a national flag. Two birds are taking away from the fly away, but background will be same national flag concept. Apply the color. Orange and yellow mix. Now apply the color. Then center will be little bit apply the blue color. Down part also light green color. So this is a step by step how to draw and apply the color. National flag and two birds. Background will be same national concept. National flag coloring concept. Once apply the color left to right or right to left, your choice. But don't scrubbing concept. Once you choose left to right or right to left. Okay. Then down part also green color. Then apply the color smoothly. That time picture will be very good and highlights. Okay. Children, you just watch this video and do follow my instruction. That time picture will be automatically come. So are you everybody happy to attend that class? Okay, thank you children. Okay, once you finish the coloring part, then smudging. How to smudge? Use this small cloth or any other tissue paper using the finger left to right or right to left, like smudging like that. That time will be picture will be very good and highlight. So this kind of drawing will be do very easy. Then already then inside the flag will be apply the color, same color. Apply the little bit dark. Okay, that time the different will be the background and front also. Okay, light green and little bit of the more dark. That the background will be any other picture will be very good and highlight. Then I repeat, I am saying don't tell orange color, only saffron. Saffron means this is one of the yellow color and orange color mixing, automatically saffron color will come. Otherwise, no saffron will default, no color is not there. So mix it and do it, but don't tell orange or something. Okay, thank you children. Any other you will tell your